Hey everybody, welcome to the week 2 discussion. Okay, so the way I handle discussions in a class like this is I try to bring in topics that are thought-provoking, that are challenging, sometimes they're very timely, and it's an opportunity for you to engage on a deep level with the topic while at the same time engaging with your classmates. Okay, so we're going to start off with a bang. And we're going to talk about social media. Oh, social media. Something we all use probably to some degree. And some of us think it's the best thing since sliced bread, and others think that it's, the downfall of Western civilization, right? But there's a lot that can be said. And we're not going to just talk about it here and then no other time during the class. We will talk about social media again. But we're going to talk specifically about the impact that social media has on our lives. Essentially, is it a force for good or is it a force for bad? So there is an article that I want you to read. It's linked in the instructions by Hannah Muslick, and it's about this topic called slacktivism. Slacktivism is a portmanteau, or basically two words that are combined, slacker and activism. And essentially, a slacktivist is somebody who kind of does the bare minimum to get the word out there on a topic or on an issue, right? It doesn't really matter what it is. Best example would be something like, remember a few years ago, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge, right? People all over the internet, right, all over the world were taking ice water and dumping it over their heads and putting it on Facebook, and everyone's clapping and laughing, and right? What was it all about, though? Well, it was meant to raise money and awareness for ALS, Lou Gehrig's disease, which is this horrible degenerative disorder without a cure. But how many people were doing that? How many people were donating money? How many people were learning about this? And how many people were just taking the stuff, dumping it on their heads, and kind of bragging and showing off to their friends on social media? Maybe they're doing something, maybe they're raising awareness, but are they really? Slacktivism, okay? So I want you to read about that and think about that. Is that something that you see a lot on social media? And is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? And broader than that, what does that tell us about social media and its impact on our lives today and its impact on culture today? This is a really interesting, thought-provoking topic because, again, it's one of those things that touches everybody's lives, even if they're not on Facebook or Instagram or something like that. So take some time to really ponder that, read the article, and let us know what you think. I'm very curious to see what you all have to say this week. Thanks.